Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching us how to crop images, how to crop photos in Photoshop. I am going to be teaching us the easiest way to do that. So, without further ado, let's bump into cropping of our photos. So, once we open our Photoshop, so it's going to show us this screen and then this welcome screen, and then we can just go over to new file, right over to new file, and then click on it. So once we've clicked on it, it's going to open this. So I am going to be using 2000 by 2000 pixels. I'm going to be using 2000 by 2000 pixels, which is this. So you set it, these are to set it. Just click here and input your 2000, and then click tab on your keyboard and it will change to height. Now input your 2000. Now set your resolution to 300, 100 or 200, but I prefer to use 300. Now your color mode, since it is online design uses RGB colors, so we use RGB for this. So set this to 8-bit for now, and then our background, we can decide to leave it as black or white or transparent, but I'll decide to use white. So just leave this as it is, and just so we can decide to name our project cropping. Okay, so that's it. So let's just click on create. Just create. Wow, Viola. So that's open. That board is ready. So now we are going to drag in our photo for cropping. That is the image we are going to be using. So I'll just head over to my file and choose this. Okay, let's use this. So I'll just drag it into my Photoshop, and yeah, Violet has loaded. So just let's increase the size. Let's increase the size. So click on the check mark here. So that's it. So now if we want to crop, now this is the tool that we are going to use. So we are going to be using this this tool called the quick selection tool. It is called the quick selection tool. So this is it. You just click on it, or you can decide to press W on your keyboard to bring you to the tool. So you click on the tool and then click on select subjects over here. Okay, now guys, depending on your system, this process might take a longer time if your processor is slow, or if you don't have enough space on your PC, it might take a longer time. So it has fully selected the body parts, but it has not done a job well done, so we have to do some parts by ourselves. So we'll just go over with this selection tool. Just go over and decrease the size by clicking on the bracket key on your keyboard. So you would Alt to click. Yeah, so this place we have to look for something to do to this place. So let's decrease the quick selection tool a little bit, and then click on Alt to get a space here. Now as you can see, we are doing it. Let's decrease it a little bit and adjust it. Let's adjust it a little bit. Just take your time to do it. Let's decrease it a little bit so we can get over the spaces here. So okay, I will click on Ctrl 0 to zoom out. So once we are done, we are going to click on Ctrl J on our keyboard to cut out the picture. Okay, let's do it so you can see. So we have clicked on it, Ctrl J. So let's hide the former picture so you can see what has happened. Now can you see how simple it is to just remove background in Photoshop? See, very simple and sweet. Okay, can you see? So we are done. We're done. So that's how to remove background in Photoshop. Thank you.